looking now very fragile. Suddenly there would be a bridge which presses into this embankment, new embankment, and that we thought would not be very good. What is actually contradictory. And now the new bridge, the wooden bridge, is then just actually touching this wooden embankment and then crossing to the other side. So this would just be floating, hovering above this embankment. So that's why it's kind of recalling the arguments and discussion in the jury that I think finally everybody was very satisfied with selecting these two projects and putting them together to imagine that in future this would be something very, you can do very well in a very elegant and elegant way. And still, it is something for the public. It is not so well designed that you don't want to touch it. So it's too beautiful and can be here or drink my beer here or ride my motorbike here or whatever. So these things are still very rough enough for a place to be occupied and used as part of public. Okay, these are